Bruce Lake Trail System is part of the Promised Land State Park, located in the Delaware Forest in northeastern Pennsylvania. There are over 50 miles of hiking trails throughout the Promised Land and the surrounding state forest, providing access to many natural scenic places. The Bruce Lake Trail System encompasses approximately 8.5 miles of varied terrain and takes one past a natural glacial lake with spectacular views. Parking for the trailhead is located off Interstate 84, exit 26. Turn south on the Route 390 and then immediately park on your right. Begin your hike on the Egypt Meadow Trailhead, located behind the entrance. This is a well-maintained dirt road closed to vehicles, which you follow for approximately 0.2 of a mile. At that point, you turn right onto Panther Swamp Road, but stay to the left on the rocky trail that follows Egypt Meadow Lake. This trail intersects with Bruce Lake Road, another well-maintained dirt road. Turn left and immediately cross a wooden bridge over Egypt Meadow Lake. To your left, you can see one of the two primitive camping areas in the Promised Land State Park. Once across the bridge, the trail begins a natural and comfortable ascent. You will see the beginning of Bruce Lake on your right, but do not take the West Branch Trail, or you'll miss the lake's best views, which you'll find at approximately 2.3 miles into your hike. There you'll encounter some of the excellent vantage points for enjoying the lake's pristine atmosphere. After a short break, continue on the Bruce Lake Trail as it takes a right turn to follow the curve of the lake. Continue over the Shahola Creek Bridge at 3 miles, and finally turn right on the Rock Oak Ridge Trail at 4 miles. Keep an eye out for blueberries ripening in late summer along this section. Follow Oak Ridge for approximately a half mile before the intersection with Brown Trail on your right. This trail turns rocky and follows a wire-fenced boundary with private land. At 6 miles, you intersect back with Bruce Lake Trail. Turn left here, away from the lake, and toward Route 390. Just before a trailhead intersection and parking area, turn right onto Snowshoe Trail and proceed through the edge of Panther Swamp. At 8 miles, you will meet back up with Egypt Meadow Trail, and a short turn on your left takes you back to the parking area where you began. The total trip length is about 8 miles. Peak season is early to midsummer, but this is a great fall or winter hike as well.